So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I will let you know how you can use wait activity. Okay, what wait activity will do. So here you can see guys, I have an ADLS account where I have a source container. In source container I have multiple files. Here you can see these all our files exist in a source container in ADLS account. I will copy these files into in blob storage account in a sync container. Okay, you can see this is the empty container. So doing this, I will use wait activity and delete activity as well. Okay, why? I want that these all files will be copied in a blob storage, and after copying these all files in a blob storage successfully, then these files automatically deleted from the ADLS account. But if I will use copy and delete activity, then what will happen? Delete activity take less than time to running, but copy activity take time because copy activity will copy these all files from ADLS and to in blob. Okay, so we will use wait activity so that copy these files from ADLS to blob. After that, wait for 1 second or 2 seconds. After that, delete activity will be run. Okay, so how we will do that? In the you can see here I have an ADF. Okay, ADF here I will see in a activity wait. Okay, I will use wait and copy activity. Okay, and delete activity. Okay, I will use these three activities. Okay, so how we will use these three activities one by one, I will let you know. In a copy data activity, I will click on this, and here you can see copy. Okay, I will give name copy, and source. In a source, I will select source. Like I already created a source. Here you can see ADLS source. Okay, I will click on this. Okay, I will click on wildcard file path, and here you can see asterisk symbol. That's mean all the files from source container will be copied. Okay, now I will click on the sync. In sync, I will select, I already create a data set for sync. Okay, so click on this. Okay, so now it's done for copy data activity. Now I will use this to connect wait activity. Okay, and wait activity I will connect with delete activity. Okay, in a wait activity, what here you can see wait activity in a setting. Here you can see wait time in a seconds. Means it will take 1 second. I'm clicking on the 3 second. Okay, 1 second is enough, but I'm using 3 and 2, and you can use 1 also. Okay, and in a delete, what I will do, I will delete all the files from dataset. Okay, where I have dx means dataset ADLS source. Okay, in ADLS source these five files will be deleted once these copies successfully into in blob storage. Okay, so clicking on ADLS source. Okay, now wildcard and give strict symbol and logging setting, logging account and linked services. Okay, I'm using linked services blob sync. Okay, means these deleted files will be showing in a log folder. Okay, will show you how it is work. Okay, now I'm going to run this pipeline. Okay, firstly I'm going to use publish. You can see publish has been completed successfully. Now guys, I will use debug. Click on debug. Now guys, what will happen? First, copy activity will run. Okay, you can see copy activity is running. After that, wait activity will run. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, after that, delete activity will run. Okay, if I'm not using wait activity here, then maybe possible delete activity run first. After that, copy data activity will run. Okay, that's why we are using wait activity, so that it will take 2 seconds to running a delete activity. You can see all these are successfully run. Okay, you can see first copied activity run, then wait, then delete. Okay, so now I'm going to check in a source container. You can see still these files showing, and now click on the refresh. You can see all files has been deleted. Okay, in a blob storage you can see sync folder. Here you can see my files has been copied successfully. I will refresh. You can see all the files has been copied successfully. Okay, I hope that guys you can understand how to use wait activity in ADF. Okay guys, if you have any question, then you can send me message on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Akash Bharadwaj Vlogs. Okay, so guys, this is all about for this video. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching this video.